Oh, we actually at NextGen Mall. As you can see, it's raining. Um, we're supposed to do something else today, but it's raining, so we decided to come here and just walk around, have some food. So that's a food court. We were gonna actually eat something there, but we got overwhelmed with the options. Elevator. Oh wow. Burger King, Domino's. So yeah, finally decided to try this place out. Faina's Cafe House. So yeah, we just ordered a couple of things, few things maybe, 3 things, 4 things. Yeah. So yeah, the prices are pretty good. See, pots, cup, not too bad. Milkshakes, light dishes, breakfast, chicken, main dish, beef, Somali dish. I think it's a Somali place.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they got small pizzas. So she said it's a good size, so got one. Yeah, cool. So yeah, lots of food already. The wings came with fries, and this is the pizza. That's meat pizza, and asked for pepperonis on top as well. So yeah, cool. So yeah, the food was really good. We couldn't finish it, so took some here to go. So yeah, that's the total. So the next thing now is we're gonna head out, walk around the mall, and then maybe do some bowling, and yeah, see what happens after that. So many gold stuff in there. Amusement park for okay, cool. Looks like for kids. So many levels. Okay, looks like there's some restaurant on this level. Level 1 lounge. Oh my god, looks so dark in there. Able to ask a restaurant to come in just to take a view of this. So look at that. Busy Nairobi. As you can see, the mall is not as busy as other malls, but it's functional. So much space. More views. And that's the national park. Eh? Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. So you can see the view from the national park. It's the national park right there. Inside the city. All right, we're gonna now look for a place to bowling. Oh my God! We just saw a rat. All right, so bowling is 850 shillings per person per game. So one game is like 10 rounds, just the normal. So yeah, I'm winning big time. I'm at the top. All right, game over. As you can see, that's me. Zeros at the beginning, but it got better. Nice. That was a good game. Pacha. Enter the dragon. Yeah, really nice place to hang out. So you can see there's a sports bar, you can have some drinks, you can play pool, obviously bowling. And if you smell what the rock is cooking. Really nice drawing. Okay, cool. Yeah. So it's just a few hours later. We are at the capital center. So just walk around a little bit and then grab some dinner at Mr. Walk. So it's being recommended, so we'll check it out. It's Naivas supermarket. It's everywhere in Kenya. Butter. Okay, go up second floor. Okay, this one looks like it's just 2 floors. Nice, nice simple mall. I actually came here 2 years ago or 3 years ago when I was in Nairobi. I remember eating at cafe on the other side of the mall. Flowers, Yeah, nice mall. That's true. City Walk. So where's Mr. Walk? Oh, okay, I see him right there. Mr. Walk. All right, we'll go back to Mr. Walk. First, supermarket. Naivas, get a few things. Okay, so yeah, we are back at Mr. Walk. We ordered chicken with cashew nuts and with vegetable rice. So just a fried rice with vegetables. So yeah, but we're doing takeout because tired right now. Need to go home and relax. And also got beer and wine at Naivas. So just go home and relax. And the grocery, a little bit of grocery, cost about how much was the grocery? Like 1,600? Yeah, 1,600 shillings. There's a bunch of water, chocolate, bread, scones, muffins, yogurt, things like that. So yeah, spices,